The simple future tense. The simple future tense expresses events that happen in the future or used in invitations and offers. Let's watch the following video to learn more about how to use the simple future tense. Hi, Jenny. Come here and sit. Hello. How long have you been sitting here? Tom and Mark just arrived.
You look happy. What's up?
I just took the final exam. How was your exam? Oh, Gloria, I think I did very well. Wow, congratulations. Thanks. I hope I will get a good score. Anyway, how is everyone's test? Not so bad, Jenny.
Me too, but I couldn't answer all the questions. I left a 1-mark question on African history.
Tom, and you?
All right. Not great. How did you do? I mean, it could have been worse. I didn't get the grades I need in math and science.
Oh no, bad luck.
I don't know. I'm not sure whether to retake math and science or change my plans completely. But I thought you really wanted to do medicine. No, it's what my parents want me to do.
Okay, and what do you want to do?
You know, I like history and languages. When I was young, I had a dream to become a teacher.
Ah, that's great.
I want to learn about world literature at Cornell University.
I think so. After graduation, you will become a literature teacher.
Mark, which college will you go to?
I will go to Pasadena City College.
I learn art and design there.
Why do you choose this major?
'Cause I am passionate about art. I have always been obsessed with designing things such as words, logos, and posters.
So do you think you can work as a designer in the future?
Obviously, there are many job opportunities relating to design.
That's great, and my wish is to become a doctor.
Which university will you apply to?
I'm choosing between the University of California or Cornell University. I think Cornell University is the best choice. It is ranked 11th best medical school. All right, I will think more.
Jenny, I heard you received an invitation from Yale University. That's great, Jenny.
Will you study there? Yes, but I'm going to school next year. Why? I want to travel around the world.
Great. I'm very excited. Heard that life in college is very interesting. Oh, it's almost noon. I'm starving. Let's grab a bite.
Great, I'm hungry too. What will you eat? Up to you.
I prefer not to eat too much meat. How about vegetarian food? There is a restaurant near our school, which is famous for its side dishes.
But I'm usually still hungry after vegetarian food. Let me think.
There is a new steakhouse named Steak Plus on Rose Street.
Oh, I've heard about it. People said it had a tasty menu.
Is the price reasonable? That restaurant is a little bit overpriced.
I think we should eat something reasonably priced.
I think so. Do you want to eat ramen?
Noodles again? Let's eat something else. I want something different for a change.
How about pizza? I heard about this really nice restaurant.
Which one?
It's Pizza Hut. The pizza and appetizer there are top notch.
Ah, I know it. I have eaten here before.
How is the food there?
Very delicious.
Right. Prices are very affordable. It even has promotions every day. What promotion is that? That buys one pizza, get one pizza?
Sounds great.
Yeah. I also love its interior decoration, which makes customers feel cozy.
I heard the service there is quite nice too.
In that pizzeria, I also have a discount voucher.
Let's go to that pizzeria.
What do you think if we have a cup of coffee after lunch? I think it's not a good idea.
Me too. I want to take a nap.
Why don't you come to my house? Your house? Yeah, we can take a nap, and in the afternoon we can play video games together.
Amazing!
My brother just gave me a new PS5. It's great to be able to play with you.
Such decisions offline.
Okay.
What video games will we play?
We will play Dirt 5. It's also my favorite game.
What is this game about?
This is a very famous racing game. The graphics are very eye-catching and look real. Right. The game accurately simulates every detail of the track and of each car. In the game, there are many types of vehicles. You can choose the car you like. You can even choose a racetrack anywhere in the world.
Is it difficult to play?
Set your mind at rest. Mark and I will teach you. Let's play.
Mark, do you know what time it is?
It's 6 p.m. Don't know if it will rain in the evening?
If it doesn't rain, we'll go to the movie theater to watch a Star Wars movie.
Okay, let me see the weather forecast. How's it going? Oh, it's raining. We'll have to stay home.
So we will watch a movie at home. What kind of movie do you like?
I really enjoy action movies, horror movies, and comedy. Do you like watching movies? I'm a typical movie fan, but I don't have the same state as you. I like horror movies.
And I like romantic movies.
It's hard to decide what movie we're going to watch.
Do you know the movie When Harry Met Sally? I know it. It's a classic movie. People always recommend seeing this movie once. This is a romantic comedy movie.
What is the content of the movie?
The film revolves around the story of Harry and Sally. They first met on a trip from University of Chicago to New York.
Then they fall in love?
Yes, especially the film has beautiful scenes of New York City.
Okay, let me turn on my computer to watch the movie. It's an interesting movie.
I know you will love it. Gosh, I can't believe how late it is. I really must be going.
Oh no, it's almost 11 p.m. After the college entrance exam, we will meet again. Of course. That day, shall we have a small party? Okay.
Later. See you around in school.
Bye, Tom. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please, subscribe to Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.